Paris' Kitchen. I'm Paris. This week I'll be making apple cookies. This is going to be so much fun because you can be real creative with these and make them however you like. I'll be using items I found in the Comstock Public School lunches and some things I found in my own pantry. Don't worry, if you're not in Comstock, I know KPS, Portage, and some of the other schools have the same items that you can use. Are you ready? Let's go! Don't these apple cookies look delicious? Don't forget that you can put any kind of toppings that you like. Don't forget to post your pics of your creation, and I'll see you guys next week.